how to remove a green screen in Canva. So first, open up Canva and then open a blank canvas here. And then next is, for example, I'll just add a green screen here. Green screen of a video. Let's just search for one in the Elements tab. Look for video. So let's say I want to choose this one, the like and subscribe video here. Just click on it, and then what you want to do next is just click on the video, and you will see a BG remover here at the top. So just click on it and you will see this one. So for me, I don't have a Canva Pro, so I can't actually do the BG remover here. So if you want to use the BG remover here in Canva, you will need to have a plan in Canva, a Canva Pro. So after that, it'll automatically remove the green screen here, and it will only show this one here, the like and subscribe. So after that, you are good to go. Okay, so that's it. It's that simple. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.